Hello dear traders, welcome to the weekly review of SabioTrade Wave Rider strategy. This week we closed 9 trades, 8 of them were closed with a profit and 1 trade was closed with a loss. Let's check all the trades in the details. We start from the first currency pair in our review. This is Aussie USD. We are on an hourly time frame. With the gray rectangle I highlighted the trading area of the current week, and as you can see we spent this week in a local downtrend. So we can see that we updated the local lows of the previous week, and during this week the price was gradually declining almost every day. Let's switch to the 15-minute time frame and check all the trades in the details. We start from Monday. As you can see, we closed the trade we were holding since the end of the previous week, and right after closing this trade we opened a buy trade. Then after market broke the previous local lows we opened another buy trade, so we averaged the first trade and then we averaged the trade for the third time and finally closed all the trades with a profit on the market correction on Tuesday. Later on we opened another buy trade and closed it at the local top of this day, and at the same time we opened another sell trade and closed it on market correction on Wednesday. After it we opened another buy trade, then after market updated the previous local lows we averaged this trade and closed it at the top of the market on Thursday, and after it we opened a sell trade and closed it after the market decline. In the evening, after market updated the lows of the previous day, we opened another buy trade, and currently we are in this trade. We were supposed to open a buy trade a bit lower than this previous local lows, but we were lacking a couple of pips to have this order triggered, so we have only one buy trade in the market, and so far this scenario is quite simple. If market continues its downward movement, we're gonna wait for the market to update these weekly lows and we're gonna open a buy trade to average our position, and we'll be waiting for the correction. Or if the market will be growing and retesting the previous resistance level, we're gonna be closing our trade with a profit and selling somewhere near the local highs of the market. On the daily time frame you can see that we are moving towards the support level. You can say that we even reached it and bounced off this level, but considering the local market decline, the price is pushed toward this level, so I think that the probability of breaking this level is quite high, because the uptrend that we were in since December 2024 is obviously ended, and currently market shifts into the phase of the downtrend or maybe into a local consolidation with the next support level near the prices of 0.6370. Speaking about the profit, this week we made almost $20 of profit. The next currency pair is GBP USD, and here as you can see we spent this week in a local consolidation. Yeah, globally we have a downtrend, but as for the trades we made this week, we had only one closed trade. We made it after the price broke through the local support level, and we closed this trade on Thursday. So far we can see that volatility is not enough for us to open new trades, so we'll be waiting for the market to update our weekly lows to open another buy trade, or if we'll jump to the previous local highs, we're going to be opening a selling trade. The profit of this week amounted to $6, and on the daily time frame you can see that our global downtrend continues and we're heading towards new support levels. I suppose that it's very probable that we can fall to 127 within a couple of months, but let's see how it goes. Our strategy is suitable for all kinds of markets, so we'll be waiting for the further price development. I hope that you also made good profits trading with us this week. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video review.